Hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making tomato sauce. A fresh tomato sauce with fresh tomatoes and fresh herbs. It's so delicious and you can use it on everything you like. So let's start.
Here we have all the ingredients: carrot, tomatoes, garlic, silver onion, sugar, salt, black peppercorns, basil, thyme, and rosemary. Begin by cutting an X shape in every tomato. This will help you remove the skin more easily. In the big bowl, add some boiling water and add all of your tomatoes. Let them sit for half a minute and dump them straight into cold water. You can see how easy it becomes to remove the skin. Remove all the skin from the tomatoes. Once that's done, grab an oven-proof pan and add some olive oil to it. Grate the silver onion, or at least try to. Grate the silver onion. Never mind. Grate the silver onion off camera so you don't make fun of yourself and add it into the pan. Do the same for your carrot. Add the black peppercorns, sugar, salt, thyme, rosemary, and the basil leaves. And last but not least, add the tomatoes. Give it a little extra olive oil and stir everything together. Put the whole pan in a 150 degrees Celsius oven for around 3 hours or until the sauce has thickened up enough. Make sure to stir it once in a while so the sides of the pan won't burn. After the 3 hours you can see how nicely the sauce looks. The last thing you have to do is run it through a sieve. And there you have it, your homemade tomato sauce.
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Hit the bell and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.